So this is my video demo for my S&P 500 analyzer. I have my terminal up. Since I published the gem on rubygems.org, the installation is pretty simple, so just type in the command. Once the gem is installed, you just run the SP500 analyzer command to get the program up and running. So once you open the program, you're presented with 7 options, and I'll just quickly go through each of these options and explain their function. So the first option just allows you to see every data point, which the data points represent the opening price of the S&P 500 for every month throughout history. So if you put in that first option, you'll be presented with a list of over 1,700 data points. And as you can see, it just keeps going, all the way back to 1871. Would you like to complete another action? Yes. The second one represents every price by year, so that way you only have about 150 or so data points from January 1st of every year. So yeah, it starts January 1st, 1871 and goes all the way up until January 1st, 2017. The third option allows you to see all data points for a single year. So type in 1993, and now you see the opening price of every month in that single year. The fourth option, you can focus in on a single date and see some additional information about it. So we're going to go to June 1993, and it gives you the price of the opening price on that date, which is $448.06. It tells you the change since the previous month, so it gained $2.81 since May 1st, 1993. Change over the previous year, so it gained $39.79 since June 1st, 1992. And the historical maximum at that point is occurred in March 1993 at $450.16. So between March and June, it dropped a little bit more than $2. The next option allows you to see the maximum price for every year. So you can either put in a single year, so let's put in 1993, and it gives you the maximum price, which occurred in December 1993 at $465.95, or you can also view a list of the maximum prices for every year by typing in all. And now you go through and it gives you the maximum price for every year, including the month since 1871. The sixth option is probably the most complex out of the suite of options, which is why I add a little description with it. A stock market crash may be defined as a rapid and often unanticipated decrease in stock prices. In order to distinguish crash periods within our data, we must specify the variables of rapidness, or time span, and decrease in stock price. The decrease in stock price will be set using a percentage value, and the time span will be set using a number of months. For example, setting a decline percentage of 20 and a time span of 12 will provide information for all stock market crashes where the price of the S&P decreased by 20% within 1 year. So let's go with that example and see what comes up. 20%, 12 months. And now it presents 13 periods where the stock market crashed by 25% within 12 months. The most recent one being the stock market crash of 2007, where it peaked at $1,539.66 in October 2007, and it dropped to $757.13 by March 1st, 2009. It doesn't give the value that it doesn't give the value that the market was at after that 12-month period. It's just saying that during that first 12 months from October 1st, 2007, so by October 1st, 2008, it did drop 20% and then continued to drop even more. As you can see, it ended up dropping over 50% by March 1st, 2009. And then it also shows the recovery, which is, when it, the next time it reached that peak, which is March 1st, 2013. So it took almost 6 years to recover from that crash. And there was 11 crashes before it, also including the historical Great Depression, the stock market crash of 1929. We'll take a look at that function one more time and take a look at some more extreme crashes. So let's go with 40% decrease over 2 years, so 24 months. And now it only has 4 crashes, beginning with the stock market crash of 1929. Then the only other times the market has crashed that significantly were in 1973, 2000, and once again in 2007. The final option that I have is to compare 2 dates. So say you want to compare everything that happened during the 80s. So you type in January 1980, and then January 1990, because the opening price in January 1990 should be the same as the closing price in 1989. And now it once again gives you the dates that you put in, as well as their prices at that time. So in January 1980, it was $110.90. In January 1990, it had gone up to $339.97, which was an increase of $229.07. The highest point during that period occurred December 1st, 1989, at $348.60, so pretty much right at the end of that period. It had reached its peak, which is quite natural. And the lowest point occurred in April 1st, 1980, so very close to the beginning of that time span, which, makes sense. And that's about it. We've gone through all of the suite options, so now we can exit the program by putting no instead of yes. And yeah, the program ends and it just goes back to your regular terminal.